Ladies and G's, let's make something nice, something warm and comforting. So it's gotcha pork roast and this lovely colorful coleslaw salad with apples. So I started off by boiling my potatoes. Then I prepped vegetables for my coleslaw. So I'm using the green and the red cabbage, then followed by the carrots, then added my apples, my spring onions, and parsley. I then made this lovely, delicious salad dressing, which is very easy. It has mayo, Dijon mustard, a squeeze of lemon, honey, salt, and pepper. I then poured my salad dressing on my veggies, mixed everything until it's consistent. And once my potatoes were ready, I squashed everything, then set it aside. Then I started preparation of my fillings. So today I'm drinking Coke because when you cook, your kitchen normally gets warm and it becomes unbearable. So I sometimes drink Coke just to detox. I added a spoon of olive oil in my pan. Then I sauteed my onion and my garlic. Then added butter, but this is optional. I then added my mushrooms, followed by my spinach, then seasoned everything with salt and pepper. Because it's a little bit moist, I added breadcrumbs just to suck all the moist. And now it's time to stack our roast. So I spread my potatoes on top of a plastic because it makes it easier to fold. I then laid my fillings on top of my potatoes, then fold everything nicely. Then cover it with bacon. So just make sure everything is sealed in. And guys, I know I can't be the only one who's struggling to tie a roast. So if you know, please help a sister out. I covered everything with foil because I wanted my roast to steam a little bit. Then I prepared this lovely glaze because I wanted to add a different flavor. And I wanted my roast to be shiny a little bit. So after 25 minutes, I glazed my roast, then back to the oven while it's uncovered. And look at how beautiful it came out. And guys, I cut my roast before it even cooled off because the smell was killing me. And this was very, very delicious. Please try it at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Wow, this was nice. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.